I'm back. If I look a little worse for wear, it's because it was raining. So here's the idle lever, okay? So I'm really crossing my fingers that it's the right one. See, it's supposed to go here. So the boat is a 1967 Crestliner Arabian, and I don't know what exact year this is, but I'm gonna guess somewhere along that year, and then with the 50 horse Johnson. This is the issue. Okay, so in there, the lever is broken off, so you can't control the fast idle, which is a crucial part of starting the thing. So I ordered this on eBay. If you guys hear monkeys in the background, it's because there's a zoo over there. I'm at my dad's. I should get some spares made. You know what? I'm going to take a picture of this whole thing as we go along because I want everything to go back exactly the way that it came out. I did watch a few videos on this. It didn't really show like exactly how to do this, but it gave me enough information into like how it works. I won't have to fix how it works because it works, but I have to like replace it, so I don't know how involved that's going to be. Alright, you want to see what's up here? Okay, I'll just lift it up to the camera. So here it is. And I can't believe my dad managed to get it to move with a screwdriver because it's very, very tight. Okay, it looks like there's just boom, boom. Let's do it. Alright, take a picture. How else would I know which holes they were in? Oh, I want to see. It looks like it's the same size. There's two random holes in it, so I'm gonna make it work. Okay, time to crack this biatch open. Whoa! This is just like I saw in the video. Okay, so this side I won't be touching. Not touching shit. I'm just gonna wiggle it around a little bit. Okay, let's put it safely aside. Where is that bag? I brought a bag. A bug's bum. Well, I guess that thing probably broke because it was like really stiff and needs some grease, which thank goodness there was a guy who commented, shout out to you, the guy who commented the last time saying make sure you bring some white grease, and I did. My dad got me some. Okay, you stay put, and you come to mama. God, I'm gonna have to literally take this off. Okay, so first take the plate off. It's all coming back to me now. Okay, I need a bigger flathead because we're not stripping shit today. Aha. Take a picture. It'll last longer. So taking this off. Note, I'm on that high test. It's a really big mofo. Perfect. When's the last time this has been opened up? I hope you guys can hear the monkeys. Alright. Okay, you can still see what I'm doing. Well, I should get one of those head cams. Alright, there's that. Okay, now, I suppose I'll just take this off, set it gently aside, make sure that that pin doesn't come off, because I guess the only thing holding, there's like no washer or no nut on the other side of this pin. Like, it's just pressure that holds it. It's just like this that holds the whole thing together, and like the fact that the two pieces are slammed together. I learned that this morning. Okay, let's take a picture. When things start moving, I'm just like, oh god. Let's just do one thing at a time here. This washer, apparently, there's two sides to it, and like it's important that you keep the side, but I don't plan on even taking it. Okay. Alright, now we'd be spinning around like Morgan Wallen. If I could just keep all of that together and lift it up, that would be sweet. Okay. I wonder if this is the same as the other two. Yeah, same. Put it aside anyways. Okay, so you can still see what I'm doing. So, alright. I have now lifted it up. I'm just gonna set it aside real careful. Okay, so we've got another washer. Okay, take a picture. Okay, so we're gonna, oh, there's all kinds of stuff here. I'm gonna keep that on there. There's like a little tiny, I don't know what it is. I call this a spacer because it feels like it's made of neoprene or something. I guess I should take this off as well. There. Take another picture. Oh, I love how these are all, oh wait, these look shorter. I was gonna say, I love how these are all the same, but they're not. Okay. Somebody the last time suggested that I use like the little tray, the magnetic tray, and I'm like, wait a second, my stepdad gave me one. And then it just happened to be in my truck, stuck to something. So I'm like, yay, I'll use that. I had one that Amsoil sent me, but I left all of that stuff at my old house. Okay, so take another picture. Alright, so now we're just taking, oh, okay, so maybe we can just take this off. Oh, let's just see if we can push that out now. Okay, so gotta get that out. So here it is. Oh, yeah, it's the same. Holy shit, it's the same. Okay, I just gotta get it out. It's really jammed up. I'm just gonna take this little spacer I'm just gonna take off. And there is also a little spacer on the other side. Screw it, I'm getting the hammer out. As I always say, if I screw something up, nobody but myself to blame. It's only $1,000 part if I... Oh, there, that was easy. Alright, so, this is freaking awesome. Too much Tim Hortons coffee, I'm like shaking. Okay, so here we have the old one that's broken, and the new one. Oh my god, I gotta email the guy from eBay and thank him. Alright, I'm gonna grease every damn little thing on here. Okay, so we're taking this spacer off. The grease. Where did I leave that? Spin you round. Alright, so I don't even know if I'm supposed to, but like, more grease can't possibly hurt. Alright, we're just gonna put some grease around this. Slippery. Now I'm just like, was it that way? I think so. Must have been. Yeah. Okay, let's just make sure that it's in the same position that... Do you hear the monkeys? I'm gonna say that like as many times as I want, actually. Okay. It's very greasy. It's very greasy. Maybe a little bit more grease, just like around the... Like around the outside, yeah, because that little piece is still in there. Yeah, so that's telling me that I need to put grease around it. So in the back of my truck I had a cooler. I was using it, like an old cooler, as just like to put tools and like some oil and some coolant and just like random stuff you might need in there. And the oil jug, like I must not have closed it properly because it leaked like 2 inches of oil in the bottom of the cooler. Okay, we're still good here. Oh my god! Holy smoker crafts. Alright. Anyhow, so my cousin and his friend came by and I was taking them on a boat ride in the aluminum boat and we were on a big mission. So we're filling up the cooler. Like, they said, oh, do you have a big cooler? Because I already had a small cooler. I said, yeah, sure. I said, but I gotta rinse it out first. So I rinsed it out. The drinks, I'm talking like a 2-4, were completely greasy. Like, completely greasy. The whole ride, like, we were out all day. There were 2 drinks left over at the end. They left them in my driveway and I went to pick them up the next morning and they literally slipped out of my hands. Actually, I wonder where those went. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so there was a circle there. There's the circle. It's a little bit wobbly, but away she goes. Okay. Next is this. Hope you guys can see this like decently well, just in case somebody actually is doing this. Okay, so that goes there. These are slightly shorter than the other ones if anybody confused their screws all up. One. Two. We're just doing the layers of the cake. So those 2 little things go on. It's the right one.
It is?
Yep.
Good.
Almost got it back together.
Good. Do you need anything else?
No, I think I'm good. The grease came in really handy though because this was so seized up that it wasn't, like it was barely even moving, like as you know from...
It's good now?
Yeah, it's good. I'm just not moving it because it has to, I just want to keep it consistent from when I took it apart.
What else can I get for you?
Pretty good. Okay, so then put this back on. Wow, this is so much easier than I thought it was going to be. I shouldn't jinx myself. Okay, good. Good, 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 very good. else.
A little grease on the table, or do you want some oil?
Whatever you would recommend, I'll do.
Okay, here's a clean rag
Oh,
and
thank
some
you.
wipes.
Oh, good. I needed that. Thank you.
You know how you make those?
Okay. Okay, so I had to call my dad back real quick because. Okay, so I was moving the thing and it wasn't doing anything back there on the motor, and so I called my dad. I said, "Can you come back real quick?" And then he said that the two pieces have to be together and like work together for it to operate properly. So I was like, "Okay, good," because that makes sense because now we've put that puzzle piece together. All right. Well, maybe I'll just make sure everything's tight. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Very tight. Everything's very tight. Just get in there, baby. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're together. So, when I was just kind of wiggling this, and it just kind of easily kind of like found its home. Okay, now that one. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Hope you guys can see the movement. The movement is happening. Yeah, so if anybody is doing this, the two pieces have to be together. You just have to put the sandwich back together in order to make it work. Alright, what next? I don't know. Yeah, so I also got the kit to do the impeller on this. I had actually ordered the Amazon one, and then I was watching some videos on how to do it. I'm gonna do it with Dad. And he like already knows how to do it, but I thought like I'll figure it out too. And there was this one guy, I think it's Mark's Garage, I'm pretty sure. He has a lot of really cool info on these boats too, and motors, but he said that like there was a customer who got the Amazon impeller kit and it like busted up in a matter of months, so nobody wants to do that twice. So I canceled that order. I went to Port Marine and I got the OMC kit, which is just like under $100 Canadian. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.